Madagascar is rich in folklore. Even something as basic as a tree can be at the root of a belief system. This is the majestic baobab, national symbol of Madagascar. And these trees play a big role in daily life here. They provide fruit that's high in vitamin C, leaves used for medicine, bark that can be made into baskets or cloth, and one tree can store up to a swimming pool full of water. But the baobab has a cultural role to play as well.
The locals say there are spirits that live within, and because of that, because they revere this tree so much, they bring all kinds of offerings and leave those offerings around the base. Me? I brought some wheat. Wela Vlen means long life. Long life.
Connect with nature.